Hello friends, in this video I'm going to tell you how to lower the boldness of your heading in Elementor, right? As you can see, I'm into Elementor and here I'm editing a new web page of my website using Elementor, right? And here in the middle of the screen we are having a plus icon to create a new section. We are going to click on that, and here it is asking us about the layout. You can either select flexbox or grid as per your requirement. Right now I'm selecting flexbox, and in the structure I'm selecting one direction column. Okay, so here I'm going to add a heading in this particular section. So in the top header toolbar, top black header toolbar, there is an icon in top left corner that is of add element. We are going to click on that, and in the widgets we are going to search for heading, and we are just going to drag and drop this heading in this particular section. And here you can simply type whatever the heading you want, right? In the content settings, in the edit heading toolbar, getting displayed in the left side, right? For example, I am going to write digital marketing course over here, right? So I've written this. Now I just want to lower the boldness of this heading. Then how I can do that? So for that purpose you just need to move to the style settings in the left side toolbar of the edit heading, right? So in the style setting we are right now, and here you will find an option of typography, right? You can simply click on the pen icon getting displayed in front of typography, and here you can simply change the weight of this heading, right? So weight is right now default. We can simply change it to like 900 black to make this heading more bolder, right? You can also select the normal or like medium to lower the boldness of your heading. So this is how you can simply change the boldness of your heading by using the weight settings in the typography of your style setting in the edit heading toolbar presented over the left side, right? Apart from it, if you want to learn more about Elementor, I have added my blog link in video description. You can simply visit my blog and read articles related to Elementor with video tutorials. And if you're interested in learning digital marketing in detail, then also I've added my website link in video description. You can simply visit my website, explore our digital marketing course, and you can purchase the course directly from there. Thank you so much.
If you want to learn digital marketing for free, then subscribe Digital Bikana YouTube channel right now.